Jaja, another one. I hope everyone is doing okay. Topics I need to talk about. Skilly Bang, crocodile teeth, almost reached 500,000 unit in United States. So you have to stick around for the breakdown. Skilly Bang has been on tour from 2022 start until now. Skilly Bang is on a different level. Skilly Bang feature on Wizkid album with the collaboration Slip and Slide, which C0ke made an entry on the Billboard US Afrobeats. It is no joke. So you have to stick around for the breakdown. Other topic I need to talk about. Alkaline sniff the white lady. It is no joke. In his recent music video entitled Profile. Yes, you remember the single Profile with the cover art everyone was talking about. Him this Massacre, Squash, Popcorn, Vybz Kartel. No one was talking about this song because this song never hit. Some people afraid to talk. It was the cover art that everyone was talking about because you don't know Alkaline already. In love attention. Because from 2022, him cannot find a song, viewers. It is no joke. But me there, we talk the truth. Plus, everyone can see dancehall gone left him. Some of them go and talk, saying Alkaline is still the man. Him nah do no show. But guess what? He chose to sniff the white lady so everyone can talk about him and artist this thing because Sting is right around the corner, but will Alkaline forward in Jamaica for Sting? Cha-cha. So viewers, stick around for the breakdown. Hold on. Valiant, currently one of the hottest dancehall artists musically on the ground. Believe it or not, everything he release is a hit, a banger. It is no joke. And this recent single entitled Speed Off. I go on with bag of things. You just drop it. And you know say this song the leak out here a long time. I look at the numbers. Compare to Alkaline that have to do something controversial. People to see him. So viewers, stick around for the breakdown. Like the video can be very important. If you don't to the channel, click the bell because I can't miss a moment. I was also going to buy yes, some of them go on top because I'm still a watch.
Is it? Oh shit.
Fox, some boy don't grind me. Watch us tell the viewers. Skillibeng crocodile teeth, according to chart data, has reached 375,000 units in United States. And if you don't know, for a singer to sell gold, it has to reach 500,000 units in America. And Skillibeng crocodile teeth is short of 125,000 units. It's very, very, very near. And a reminder, it is not the remix with Nicki Minaj. It is the original crocodile teeth. I know you're the people talking. It's the Nicki Minaj version, but even if it was a Nicki Minaj version, nothing no wrong. It is Skilly Bang song. That is it. But viewers, it is a great look because some people do not understand that Skilly Bang is not an average dancehall artist anymore. He is top tier. He jump past a lot of artists in his generation and before him. Because I can say this big and bold, Skilly Bang is a bigger artist for Alkaline. But I will leave it right there. Watch your next style. Skillibeng feature with C0ke on Wizkid album Slip and Slide has made an entry on the Billboard What did I just say? Billboard US Afrobeat song. At number 19 of the time me doing this video. I remember in my last vlog, this collaboration on Spotify was Skillibeng's most popular song and is still. And at the time I did the video, it was at 600,000 plays. Now it is at 1.5 million plays on Spotify. I said this. Clear. It is a music video, not real life. But watch our next trailer. Alkaline, from my knowledge, is the first artist to do a music video as Sniff the White Lady. Viewers, him nah just cut it up, you know. Him nah sell it, you know. He must sniff it up in him nose just for attention. That is how far him gone because him career dead. And it is said he should be releasing a EP December the 9th, 2022 and possibility promotion this for him. But look on this. You can do all type of things on the media for people talk about it. But if there is no music, it don't make no sense. And just give this couple weeks or days fade away because this song no hit. And Alkaline know this. If you're going to be controversial, you have to have music behind a hit. And there's no music. Because, you know, while I'm at work, viewers, you find these people all over the place. Diarty, Data fan. He's letting me know that Alkaline Lone Badness is a hit. You know himself. John was like, it rough bad. But viewers, leave your honest thoughts in the comment section. John was like, I cannot believe this. Cha-cha, it rough out here. Before me touch out, the artist, that's an artist right now, musically, for the people in fact, we'll get it twisted, is Valiant. You go viral from Catch It At and from viral viewers. He made everyone know that he has talent from St. Mary to North Carolina.
Yo, Negril, Kingston.
Science.
Wait till me bucky
Kartel, Lasses, Don's Chick, and now his recent single, Speed Off. And again, it is not just only hits he is putting out, but his personality, his persona in music videos. If you meet Valiant right now, him just full of vibes. We wonder if he is a comedian, and also he is creating dance moves You know how that got already.
Science, wait till me bucky giant. Science, wait.
Right there, so. Plus, the youth have clarity on stage. You see me how he sounds in his music. I saw him sound in a real life. I can testify to that. The youth naturally gifted. Viewers, big up to himself. I'm out.